Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? It's your go-to tech guy, Tor, coming at you from the one and only Torrpreneur channel. Today, we've got a question that's honestly way out of this world. Are robots the future best friends we didn't know we needed? Or are they just sci-fi nightmares waiting to happen? Grab your popcorn, folks. We're diving into the top 5 female AI robots that are as mind-blowing as they are controversial. Let's get into it. So, here's the tea. We're living in an era where our smartphones are basically an extension of ourselves, right? But what if I told you that's just the tip of the iceberg? What if the future holds something more emotionally intelligent? We're talking about AIs that you can befriend, argue with, and even fall in love with? Intrigued yet? Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. All right, friends, let's talk Emma, the Mona Lisa of robotics. Have you ever wished that your Google Assistant was, well, more assistive emotionally? Emma is basically your dream virtual companion. She's got speech recognition, machine learning, and get this, she can even sense your touch. But does that make her the future of companionship? Or are we treading into some murky ethical waters here? Can we balance human relationships and AI intimacy? I mean, come on, folks. Is this the next level of dating or what? Next up, we're jetting off to sunny Spain. We're talking Samantha, a robot that literally feels her way into your life. Sensors? Check. Emotional intelligence? Double check. She's like a symphony where every touch is a note, and every expression is a crescendo. But let's pause for a second. Can a robot truly understand emotion? Or are we projecting our feelings onto a bunch of ones and zeros? Seriously, how far can this go? All right. Time for a culture shift. How about a robot that embodies the Japanese art of precision and grace? Enter HRP4C MIM. She's your personal assistant, nurse, and probably better at doing chores than you and me. But here's the kicker. She can understand your voice commands. She's like a super smart Alexa, but with legs. But hold on. Does that mean we're on the verge of robots replacing human workers? Man, I need a minute just to digest this. Do you? Okay, after that existential moment, let's swing the spotlight over to Mark 1. Imagine a robot that's not just intelligent but also adaptable. Imagine having a robot that can change based on the situation. She's like the James Bond of robots, sophisticated, adaptable, and a quick learner. But are we ready for robots that can think on their feet? Could they be more reliable than us? Should we feel threatened? Or just massively impressed? Finally, let's talk about Sophia, the queen of the robot prom. She's been everywhere and done everything, from talk shows to meeting world leaders. She can learn languages, express emotions, and even make jokes. The woman's got range. But let me ask you this. Is Sophia our new standard for AI? Are we setting ourselves up for a world where robots are more capable than us? These questions aren't going away, and neither is Sophia. Phew, are you as blown away as I am? These robots are pushing boundaries and raising questions that honestly, we need to talk about. Hit that like button if this video got you thinking, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives like this one. Still here? Good, because for all you tech nerds, I've got a special treat. Subscribe now and get a free ebook, AI and You, The Future is Now. I promise, you're not going to want to miss this. Before we say goodbye, let's connect even more. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it. All the links are down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this. This is Tor from Torrpreneur, signing off. Catch you on the flip side.